make great pets, but their litter box area is often very messy. Today I'm going to show you a cat litter mat by EHZNZIE that is designed to make your cat's litter area easier to keep clean. Alright, so we're going to open this up. This non-slip cat litter mat by EHZNZIE measures about 35 inches by 23 inches. So you can see it's nice and big. There we go. It fits most of this table. So it measures 35 inches by 23 inches, and it is made of PVC that won't tear or fray the way that some mats do. It has a very, very nice texture to it, very nice for cats. It has grooves that help keep the litter and cat from spreading it all over the place. So this area over here, and just the design throughout the mat. Here's a better look at it. Take a look at how the grooves would get up all the litter and keep it from spreading. Now this does have anti-slip backing and is water resistant to protect your floors. As you can see, the backing is nice, smooth. It's good to make sure it doesn't move along or move around on the floor. Now what's nice is that this can be lifted up and shaken out to clean or vacuum it. Or you can use soap and rinse it down in a utility sink or even outside. So this is a very easy mat to clean. You're not going to have to worry about certain instructions or certain things you need to do. You can do whatever necessary to clean the cat mat. Alright, so here's the insert that comes with the cat mat. It goes over various things that we just talked about, like easy to clean and wash, phthalate free, ideal for sensitive kitties and kittens, water resistant, and it won't stain or discolor your floor. So we keep our litter box in a broom closet with folding doors where we keep one door partially open so our cat can get in and out. So let's take a look at where we have our cat box. Alright, so here we have moved our litter box out of our usual spot and brought it out so you can see the mat. The mat covers the area of the litter box and makes a nice passageway so that litter that's tracked out will get caught. So our litter box is mostly covered, so if anything comes out, it's usually because the kitty is tracking it. So this mat is big enough so that you could put 2 litter boxes on it and turn it sideways, and then you are protected either way. See, when you turn it sideways, you will have room for 2 litter boxes if you wanted. So this mat is very inexpensive, so I think it's well worth getting to make your cat litter area tidier and more attractive. As you can see, Sweetie Lulu is already there. So that is all we have on the EHZNZIE non-slip cat litter mat. Thanks for watching.
Little tomcat, stay close to me, 'cause there are clouds on the horizon and a chill on the breeze. We're alone here, but don't you be scared. I've got a calloused hand, a farmer's tan, and I'm happy to share. You and I will both get by, just promise you won't stray. All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I will feed you till the summer blows.